Guys, someone just knocked on my door. Hello? Yeah, what's this? Okay. We got a package just randomly, so let's bring this upstairs. Guys, that was super weird. Someone just left this random package outside my door for some reason, so we might as well unbox it because something must be pretty good inside it. So let's get on to the unboxing, guys. Okay guys, so that was all actually a joke. We just got this brand new keyboard, which is actually the DUCKY ONE Mini. And yeah, I just wanted to make that a little bit funny for you guys. So now we will be unboxing this because I've been looking forward to unboxing this for super long, as I wanted a small keyboard that actually fits good on my desk. And yeah, if you see my keyboard, it is too big and my desk is quite small. Okay guys, so let's get on to this boxing, but first of all I want to show you guys what my keyboard and stuff looks like before. So let me just angle you guys down a little bit. So as you can see, that's my keyboard right now. It's actually the Razer Orbos, and look how chunky this is. Like, there's no need for this big bit at the bottom nor this bit at the top, and that's the reason why I wanted the DUCKY ONE Mini. So let's head on to the unboxing. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this out of the way just for now, so therefore we can have room to actually unbox the actual keyboard. So here we go. What's in this big box thing, and somehow I'm supposed to get this open, and look at this bag, it's actually massive. So let me try get this open, and I will see you guys once I'm actually close to getting it open. Okay, so that was actually a lot easier than I expected to get that bag off, but as you can see, we can see the keyboard box underneath this, which looks pretty awesome already. And now we got to get through this bubble wrap packaging, so let's try to get through this. Okay, we're getting closer. I just pulled it out. Oh yes, we can let me pull it out now, I think. Yes, it's coming out. Let me set that on the knife, just be safe. Right, let me pull this out now. Come on. There we go. Oh my goodness, guys, here is the actual box. Let me just get rid of this. And as you guys can see, the DUCKY ONE Mini unboxing. Sorry about the lighting, it's just because like I've got a big lamp right up behind it, and yeah. And oh my goodness, I've been looking forward to this for super long. Let's get out of that. Oh, that's a pretty nice bag. It's like just DUCKY branding bag, which is pretty cool. And this box is actually super nice. It's probably like one of the nicest keyboard boxes I've probably ever got. Well, yeah, I've only got like 2 other keyboard boxes, but yeah. And this is actually a pretty nice box. As you see here, this has like DUCKY's website and stuff like that. Then this side, this is like the barcode and like the branding. Then the back, as you see, ONE Mini, and then I got the brown switches. So focus. Yes, cherry RGB brown switches. The reason why I got brown switches is because I wanted the tactile feeling compared to like this noise of my keyboard. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this over aside a little bit because we don't need that anymore because we got DUCKY ONE Mini. So now I'm gonna go on and then box this, guys, and this box just looks super clean. And yeah, guys, I'm sorry about the lighting. I just can't get it like perfect, so this will have to do. But anyway, let's unbox this. We gotta take off these little things. We'll open it that way. So I'm gonna let you guys see it first. So as you can see, it just opens up like that, and oh my goodness, I think we got the red or pink switches, but as you can see, firstly we get the clear dust cover. So this will definitely be useful because this keyboard right here, it is super dusty in between the keys, and yeah, I don't really know how to move them, so I'm gonna definitely use this to stop the dust going on my keyboard. So let me move that over to the side. Definitely gonna be using that. And now we move on to the keyboard inside of here. Oh no, it's coming out the back. Oh my goodness, that is super small. Okay, I'm just gonna take that out of here right now. Oh yes, here we go. As you guys can see, we did get like the pink slash red keycap, but it looks sort of red on the camera. But yeah, I'm trying to make it look a bit better for you guys. But let me get my lighting up. As you can see, the keyboard actually has loads of different little switches slash on the bottom of the keys, but if you do get a keycap set, you won't be able to actually see what all these buttons are. So if you're getting a keycap set, I definitely recommend for all you guys to memorize what those buttons do and stuff like that. But yeah, you definitely need to get used to these buttons because you lose a lot of them if you're moving to a 60% keyboard, because whereas this, it is all buttons, you don't need any other one. But whereas this, it's just tiny. And yeah, I'm going to do the sound test later on this video, guys, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But as you can see, we're just going to look around the keyboard at the start. So here's from the bottom, it just has the Ducky branding on the spacebar there, and it's just a black and white plastic, as you know. And then the bottom looks pretty clean, it's just all white. Let me turn it around for you guys. So as you can see in the bottom, it actually has the branding right there, the 1-2 Mini by Ducky, and then it has the 3 different levels of feet. So as you see, one is the biggest one, and then we got the middle one. Somehow I gotta get that out. So as you see there, I might use that one because it's not too high, but it's not too low. And yeah, so as you see this side, guys, we got the USB-C, which looks super good, because most keyboards actually don't come with this. They mostly have like a USB Mini, I'm pretty sure, whereas it's not as good as USB-C. Then if we move over to the side, we actually have the branding of Ducky. So as you see, Ducky 1-2 Mini. Don't focus on my hand, focus on that. Yep, which is super clean, as it's on the back of it, so you won't really notice that whenever you're actually gaming or typing. So yeah, other than that, the keyboard just looks super clean. It has 4 different level rubber feet, so it doesn't slide. And yeah, let's get into the rest of the box. So in the rest of the box, we actually get a warranty card, it looks like. So I'll probably be filling this in later on after this video, because I probably will need this, because if it breaks, this is what you use. So use that later on. Then we've got the user manual right here. It tells us basically like how to do stuff, because it doesn't come with any software, this keyboard. You basically do it all manually by pressing different buttons on it. So this will probably tell you where to do it, and yeah, just how to do all the macros. So that is that. And then this is probably just Ducky channel RMA process, so I'm going to read through this after this video. So that is that. And then we move on to this little back piece, which has all of the different accessories. So let me check out all this stuff. Oh, already first we get the USB-C cord right here. So as you see, looks pretty clean. Well, it's a black cable, so anyway. And then it's got this cool Ducky little Velcro strap. And then we move on to here, we get the Ducky puller, keycap puller. So if you want to change out your keycaps, you use this to like basically pull them out. And yeah, I'm probably going to do that, because I'm going to get a keycap set eventually. Then we have the spacebar. Oh, I dropped that. But as you see, we got all the pink / red keycaps. It looks super red on camera, guys, but they're pink, trust me. Then we got this black one. So if you want to change out this, make it all black if you want, or just add some red. But yeah, I'm definitely going to use some of these for like the keyboard, because it just makes it look pretty cool. Add some color to it. Then of course we get the year of the pig spacebar. Was the year of the hog, I'm pretty sure, but a lot of people call it the pig. As you can see, looks pretty awesome. Let me try to get that focus for you guys. Yep, there we go. Try its best. As you see, it has the Ducky brand, and it's got the pig / hog in the middle. And yeah, just a pretty cool design key space bar. So that is all we get in the box. So this box is super clean. It has 1-2 Mini there, as well as just everywhere in the box. So that is it. That's all inside of the box. So now we just move on to the keyboard, and yeah, we just got to turn it on. So guys, I'm gonna turn on the keyboard, remove this keyboard as well, but let's do a size comparison just before that. So let's move this back over to the middle, and just look at this difference. Look at my hands, just cover this whole thing, but then this, it's barely half of it. So if we place this on top, tiny. Why does Razer need all of this big pieces? And yeah, I'm just so happy, because I get a smaller thing on my desk, so therefore if I play keyboard and mouse, I will be able to actually have some room for my mouse. So I'm going to plug out my Razer keyboard and then switch in this, and I'll show you guys how to do all the different functions on this, as yeah, it'll just look pretty awesome. So guys, I will see you guys once I have unplugged this and about to plug in this, guys. Okay guys, so I just plugged in the USB to my PC, but I haven't plugged the keyboard in just right now. But I'm gonna change out the switches on this, well, not the switches, the actual keycaps to these different red ones, as well as the spacebar. So I'll do a time lapse of me changing out the different keycaps to a different color. So I will see you guys just after I do the time lapse. Okay guys, so what's literally all I'm going to be doing is literally just changing out the space bar as well as the escape key. So as you see, we changed the space bar over to the year of the hog / pig, as well as little escape key up here to the ducky key. Sorry if it's not focusing, but anyway, it is a ducky logo right there as you see, which is pretty awesome. So the escape key doesn't really matter as it just says escape, so that's where we escape. So I'm gonna plug it in this keyboard right now and let's see the colors. So USB-C, as you can see, and let's plug this in. So boom, there we go. And oh my goodness, the colors on this are crazy. They're actually super bright as it has a white backplate behind the actual keys and stuff like that. So oh my goodness, this looks insane. But guys, now we're going to move on to the sound test of this. So let me bring the mic just a little bit closer. And guys, again, for the reason why I did get this actual keyboard with brown switches is because I wanted a nice sounding one as well as a tactile feeling of keys. So let's move on to the sound test, guys. Oh my goodness, the sound of this keyboard is super nice, as well as just pressing the buttons, as it has like a little bit of a bump, and I really like the colors of this. So guys, basically the way you gotta change the colors of this, you actually want to press Function, Alt, and T. As you see, it changes it to like a fade color. So now at the moment, it is just fading through all the different colors from just a rainbow, of course. So let's check the other one. So Function, Alt, T, and now it is just different rainbow colors. That looks pretty awesome. And then Function, Alt, T. This one's just like where it's like you tap the button and that goes out to the side. That's pretty awesome. And let's do another one. So Function, Alt, T. Then this one's, if you type, it just like lights up the single color. So that's pretty cool. Then we have another one. So you can change the color by just pressing these buttons. So as you see, Z, X, and C all light up. So if you want to make it green or blue, you can make different colors just by going through this, which is pretty awesome. As you can select whatever color you want. Then we go again. Then it's just sitting on a solid color if you want, just blue. Then like a rainbow color, so you can maybe change that color just by pressing these buttons down here. So functional, then you make green going around. And yeah, that's just pretty awesome. Then we just have just no color at all, and then we're back to the start. So I'm definitely probably going to use this color of it because that just looks awesome and it's probably the nicest one. So that is it for the keyboard. It is just super nice and super small for my desk. So as you see, I actually have room for my mouse as it's just so much. So that's just super clean, as you can just press buttons super fast and easy because it's so small. So guys, that is actually the Ducky One 2 mini keyboard. It is super awesome, and yeah, it's just so nice as well. So if you guys have this, tell me down in the comments if you do, and what do you think about it, because of course I really do like it compared to my big one as it's just super small, as well as the brown switches. I definitely recommend for you guys to get it if you want a quiet little click as well as just a nice feeling. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you guys do smash the like and subscribe if you are new, and guys, make sure you are using code Fluxy in your Fortnite item shop if you do play Fortnite and you buy anything. So hope you guys did enjoy this video, and peace. I just need to clear my